Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to save Instagram Reels to your gallery. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, just make sure you have logged in into your desired account from which you just want to save your Reels. Then go to the plus icon in the bottom part. And here just add a reel you want. Suppose I'm adding this one, and then in this part, if you scroll to the right, you will find this option right here. If you click on it, this will be saved to your gallery, and yeah, you can just edit it from here, add a song, text, and any sort of transition too, and then just save it from here. Once you click it, this will be saved in your gallery. And once you do it, just tap on next and then share it as your reel, and you will get to see your reel in your gallery too, but as you have saved it right here. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up.